Now, once your offer's been accepted, it's time to get the ball rolling. Here in Oklahoma, we use a title company. The title company is a neutral third party who helps us through the process. They'll make sure that the property has a clear title, meaning that there aren't any outstanding liens on the home, and also that the home is actually owned by the seller and can be sold to you. Then it's time to get the inspections done on the home, review the disclosures from the seller, and secure the loan for your property and get the appraisal done. It's such an exciting time, but we need to make sure that we're on top of everything so that we don't miss any of our contractual deadlines. And during this time frame, we'll order inspections for the property. Now, typically, we recommend that you do a termite, a roof, and a professional home inspection. And depending on the property, there may be some other inspections that need to be done, but I can advise you on that later. Once all the inspections are done, we'll review the reports along with the disclosures from the seller. And this is when we would discuss all of the documentation and decide if any of the items in the home need to be repaired or maybe request credit from the sellers. Now, if you're securing a loan on the property, it's imperative that you are in regular communication with your lender so that we can secure your financing. In regards to the appraisal on the property, the goal is for the appraisal to come in at the value that we're in contract for. If it doesn't, depending on what we've negotiated in the contract, we may need to go back and renegotiate the price. During this time, we're also working on getting your final loan approval so that we can order the loan documents. Once you know the home is appraised for what you're in contract for and your loan is secure, just one step away from home ownership. There are lots of things that happen once our offer gets accepted, and these are just a few. So call me and I'll work with you to make the process as easy as possible. I'm Melissa Branson with Chamberlain Realty, making home dreams a reality. Let me guide you home.